Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your application theme for Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the app theme, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, just simply tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner. After tapping into there, you will get to see this setting option into the top right corner. Tap to that option, and after tapping into there, you will get to see so many options into here. Now you just simply have to go into appearance section and you will get to see this option of theme. Tap to theme option and you will get three options. The first one is same as device, the second one is light, and third one is dark. My system is set up into dark, that's why it is showing the dark theme currently. If I select light mode, it will be changed into light theme. And if I go back again and select dark mode, it will be changed into dark mode. This way, you can also change your app theme for Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.